Hi, this is Daisy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hi there, welcome back to Step To It. Today we're going to cover a box step. So it's pretty simple. We're going to walk in a box. We're going to step out on the right, together on the left, and forward on the right. Then we're going to take our left foot and kind of step forward left to the side on the left, together with the right, and back on the left. Now there's two ways you can count this. If you were counting it in a slower count, you can count it 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Or you can count it in a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So that's your box step. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.